Namaskar. My name is Kunwar Abhimanyu Singh Billawaria, and it is a matter of great pride and pleasure that I got an opportunity to recite one of the poems written by one of the greatest poets of Jammu, Shri Kunwar Viyogi ji. His contribution into field of literature is so immense that he has been honored with Sahitya Academy Award also. And the poem which I am going to recite today is Temple Bells of Jammu. The poem goes like this. Oh, temple bells of Jammu, pray, roll on, and from my feelings echoing, then return. This life is rough and tough and really stern, so for the sake of harassed self, toil on. I humbly on you now call on. Be ringing, tolling, pains to assuage, and keep me company for my earthly age, to have a chance to manage and toil on. Oh, like the days of yore, I falls on. Your sweetest notes to consultation give, an agonized soul a bit relieved, to make it thus survive and stroll on. Oh, temple bells of Jammu, pray, toil on, for when I hear you, all my doubts are gone. Thank you so much.